Selassie. Yeah, man, for the warriors, you know. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow, same way. Man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Yeah. Man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow, same way. Man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Man, a survivor, black version of MacGyver. With the people, them where you cry, Nina. Say me a me own a designer, liner. Judas Selassie, I forever. Inna them ya time, ya oneness, I and I apply for. Deep in a meditation, me take a dive, ya. Link boil, orthodox and 12 tribe, ya. Them thing the people feel remind of, yeah. Man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow, same way. Yeah, man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Yeah, man, a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow, same way. Yeah, man, a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray.
I have no fear, ya. Black version of Wafira. Hide the direction, them a steer you. The truth we after, and we can falter, say kabaka. Hold the order, play the parter. See them come to slaughter the youth and alter the truth. I know none of them woulda want we gone. I know them woulda want me gone. It done every day and I wish we all much time on them hands, you know. But why would a king ever fear a boss? A king would never fear them. So what them a go do when them hear this one? Bang bang.
No take tellings, want me no fi say this. Man, we see your farm and gone in and you lettuce. People mean your harm, you can't tell what a friend is. Grudge you for your paper, scorn you for your pennies. When you no see me gone, forget replenish. Back up in the morning, can't forget the message, no. Avocado, she feel for me, senny. Yeah, man, banana is sweet, pushy belly. Jeez, I want make life sweet, so like a jelly. Climb feet, it hard, can't easy, so forget it. Sang the on the radio, video pan the telly. Loving on me heart, me a spread the catchy medi.
People up your expectation. Will they love you? No guarantee.
You know we here. The truth is right.
People up your expectations.
Always. Right over my love over here. Yeah.
Judge a bless I with the brightest light. And I shine upon the youth them blind. God with their suffer truths and right. They are suffer truths and right. And until the day that my soul takes flight, Babylon will hear my voice. God with their suffer truths and right. Come and suffer truths and right.
Yeah. Hey, where to escape to? Where to be free? No humanity in this reality. You know, system and I lose them life. You know, see the whole of we a live one lie. I know it's never fair to the people. When will it ever be? When inequality is the way we profiting. That's the way you keep the youths them poor. And the only reason is to take some more. Well, are we gonna wait around? Or are we gonna make a sound?
Time to find a common ground.
Yeah.
Against the things that bring us down. Judge a bless I with the brightest light. And I shine upon the youth them shine. God with their suffer truths and right. They are suffer truths and right. And until the day that my soul takes flight, Babylon will hear my voice, my voice.
As I wake in the morning and your face just be glowing, oh you're happy I notice. I just want you to know this, that your presence is golden. So much things I be holding, just I wait for the right time, which just never arrives. Side my mind is like tie-dye, twisting and bleeding, watching history repeating. So much colors and meaning. When you look in the sky, try to imagine it open as the carriage is rolling. Watch the stories unfolding, get to know the unspoken. All those things that you told me, like how you feel when I'm touring. Missing me in surroundings, and me need you around me. All we need is this moment, so stay with me till morning.
I'm not trying to start an argument with you, but you have to tell me what it is that you want. I mean, your career is putting us in two different places, and to be honest, I
like this. They love it when I sing like this, like this, like this. Well, I'm around my sleep like this. They call me when I get like this. And take a little lift like this, like this, like this. Have no idea what you're facing, but on some plane we all go through the same things. So I'ma send these thoughts to you with nothing but love, with nothing to prove, nobody be blaming. And I trust you gave me to some cravings, but haven't we all been through those phases? So whenever you make it back, I'm waiting with open arms. Forgive, move on, no love, no. So I'ma do my thing like this. Girl, you know I been like this. She love me when I sing like this, like this, like. I've been waiting for you, my lady. I'll be on my way to you soon. All through night till morning, don't leave me. Call your work and tell them about noon. I've been waiting for you, my lady. I'll be on my way to you soon. All through night till morning, don't leave me. Call your work and tell them about noon. Hey, I've been thinking about you daily, putting you in positions that drive you crazy. My provisions stack up, it accumulating. See what you're facing, you know this ain't a playtime. This is a baby in a playpen. Don't back off when time me regulating. Current a flow direct, we alternating. That's why your flow so bright, you go with ratings. And I've been waiting for you, my lady. I'll be on my way to you soon. All through night till morning, don't leave me. Call your work and tell them about you. I've been waiting for you, my lady. I'll be on my way to you soon. All through night till morning.
I'm getting the spirit too. You know she say nothing new. Mysticism in the moon. Mommy feel it in the womb. Knowledge that for ascertain. Wisdom in the hurricane. Blessings are gonna come in rain. Sun up we go shine, shine. And you know step ancient in the spirit too. You know she say nothing new. Mysticism in the moon. Mommy feel it in the womb. Knowledge that we ascertain. Wisdom in the hurricane. Blessings are gonna come in rain. Sun up we go shine. Things have a way to repeat. Deja vu when you feel it. Open your heart to receive. No open your mouth for no reason. Oh, as the war still a wage, people still stuck in their cages. Imagine the cause of your race. History remove you from pages. Well, without African unity, then the world could never free. And so said His Majesty. Anywhere we walk, well, you know, stepping ancient in the spirit too. You know, she say nothing new. Mysticism in the moon. Mommy feel it in the womb. Knowledge that we ascertain, yeah. Wisdom in the hurricane, yeah. Blessings are gonna come in rain. Sun up, go shine, shine. Feel the sun up on my face, it. I feel be one of God's many graces. And you know, see the wind carry many secrets. If you listen in, then it will reveal it. And you know, see why this one great.
When I was just a young boy, maybe like 17, I would talk to my father, told him about my dreams, and often he would tell me, don't rush to be a man. I heard the words that he spoke, but could not understand. Cause to me life was easy, it was just fun and games, until I saw that people were filled with so much pain. It's harder to share sometimes, easier to pretend. The way we treat each other, I just don't comprehend. Last night I heard a story, too crazy to be true. I wouldn't dare repeat it, what are we gonna do? And as we figure it out, the time just slips away. Don't worry about tomorrow, just be glad you've got today. It's strange, strange things are happening. Strange things are happening.
Yes, this is the freshest is what you need on your ends, not no less this is. All I creep on the rest, tell them best wishes. Clean up the Benz, new address this is. I'm missing nothing for the press this is. Don't have to depress about your request you get. Now the question is, when me left the nest, pick up on all the quest, left the selfishness. Now we see my comprehensive is the price you pay. What a price she pays, suffice to say. I am pricing it right away. My advice to share, you find out say you see.
Seems like I've been asking for too much from you, paying no attention to the things you do, thinking of myself, not what I put you through. It's unfair to ask you for a chance, so it's been crazy lately. I've been in my feels, got me rearranging all of my plans, all my dreams. It'll be invigorating anytime you be around. Same time it'll be frustrated when I see you in a crowd. My eyes, they go wherever. Girl, all I do is stare. And when you notice, I know you will be so extra, I swear. I'm supposed to feel when you're that close. I mean, just can't reveal for me emotions. I mean, just want to see and do the most to you. I'm supposed to feel when you're that close. I mean, just can't reveal for me emotions. I mean, just want to see and do the most to you. And grandma, want you feel the same, so. But want you feel the same, so. Girl, I want you feel the same, so. I want you feel the same, so. Girl, I want you feel the same, so. I want you feel the same, so. Girl, I want you feel the same, so. I want you feel the same, so. Same, so. Same. I've been contemplating what all of this means. It's not that I'm complaining, but circumstances be real, and I know you see these changes. Yeah, around and around we go. Doesn't it just feel amazing when I got you up in my zone? You're like my favorite painting, one I would never sell. Just have you up in my room and keep you all to myself. I'm supposed to feel when you're that close. I mean, just can't reveal for me emotions. I mean, just want to see and do the most to you. Seems like I've been asking for too much from you, paying no attention to the things you do, thinking of myself, not what I put you through. It's unfair to ask you for a chance, so true, but still I wonder.
Yes, this is the freshest is what you need on your ends, not no less this is. All I creep on the rest, tell them best wishes. Clean up the Benz, new address this is. I'm missing nothing for the press this is. Don't have to depress about your request you get. Now the question is, when me left the nest, pick up on all the quest, left the selfishness. Now it seem apprehensive is the price you pay. What a price she pays, suffice to say. I am pricing it right away. My advice to share, you find out say you
Seems like I've been